Hey everyone, Jaden here. Today I'm going to do a video showing you how to do a transparent image so you can add it to any background that you need to, like Facebook cover or YouTube channel art. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. All right, first of all, you need to go open up a browser and go to cnet.com. One reason you do this, because if you go to your Microsoft store, if you got Windows 10, they'll actually charge you $7 to buy this program, which is actually free. So go to download. And in the search bar here, put in paint.net. See it right here? Just click on the free one. Download now. Open or save. Just go ahead and save it. But I'm going to go ahead and close this because I actually already have it on my computer. And go ahead and close this window. All right, now go to paint.net after you install it. Open it. If it says there's updates, go ahead and update it. And before you even use it, it's because I think CNET has a different version right now, and there is a 4.2.8 version. So yes, go ahead and update it. Then go to File and Open. I'll just take this image here. I want to get rid of all this background, and so I can put it like on my Facebook cover. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let me bring up my Facebook. Like one of these or this one, just get rid of the background. First of all, I'm going to crop it. So I'm going to take the square tool and I'm going to crop it. Well, kind of like cropping my hat there, but it'll be okay. Image, crop. See this up here? You can do this here. You can go ahead and use your square tool again to get rid of most of it. Let me undo that because I didn't do it right. Try again. All right. And just hit your delete button once you got it. And you see the transparency canvas there. And there's a little bit right there. I'm going to get it. Then go down here and got black, which was my microphone. Go ahead and click there. And there's something over here too. That's not a petition. And delete it. When you have like a solid background with no shadows, you can actually go and get your magic wand. Click on it. And you see how it's highlighted, and just hit delete. And it's got most of it out of there. Go to this side, do the same thing. And it got most of it out of there too. So that's a quicker way. And then get your square tool or your eraser. You can even use your eraser. And but that's a small eraser. We need to get a little bit bigger than that. Try it that way. Or you can do your square tool again. And go as much as you can. Hit your delete button. Do it over here. Hit your delete button. And to get that there, I would go with your eraser again. Make it smaller. And I'm actually going to zoom in so I can see it better. Zoom in again. Go to view and then zoom in. That's how you zoom in. And that way, I'll try not to get any in my sleeve. And if you do, it's no big deal because it ain't got to be perfect, because when you put it on the background, it's not going to be noticeable anyway. See, and I can also do right here. Get that blue out of there. Get the blue right here. And here. Okay, now it's time to save. It's very important that you save this. Let me go back to view and actual size. No, we don't want to do that. Zoom to window. How about that? Okay. All right. Go to File, Save As. This is very important that you save it as a PNG file. Not a JPEG. It's got to be a PNG file or it would not be transparent. So you can name it whatever you want. J2. It'll be fine. And you go here and hit PNG. And click Save. Then click OK again. Now we're going to go to Canva.com. Just bring up Canva.com. When you bring it up, you can click here and in the search bar and put, I can get it to come up. Oh, I got to sign in. I just signed up with Facebook or I don't know why I signed up with Facebook. Okay. Click here, put Facebook. I'm going to do a cover. Do a blank one. And I've got some images I already uploaded, but we're going to upload that image. Let's see if I've already done it before. There it is. Upload it. There we go. I'm going to pick a different image for my background. And I'm going to make it canvas size just to show how this works. We'll go back up and get that image, the transparent image. And that's as easy as it gets. You know, you can resize it. You can turn it. Whatever you want to do. You know, but that's all there is to it. And then you go to download up here. You download, then you can upload it to your Facebook or wherever you want. You know, just you can add text like I did in another video. Add your text, and you can add a different, like a different logo. If you want a logo, you can add that. You know, resize it. So it's pretty neat. So Paint.net, free software. Don't pay for it in Windows 10. I mean, in Microsoft, if you got Windows 10, it'll say pay for $7, but you don't need to pay $7. You can just download it like I did, upgrade it, because it will ask you want to update it, not upgrade, update. And then you have everything. There goes my phone again. Okay, until next time, I'm Jay.